VIEVE have kindly sent me a PR package with some makeup items. All I've put on right now is a facial with the zip device, which is why I look a little shiny. I've left the serum on because I actually love it. Then I applied foundation, a teeny bit of blush, some eyebrow product, and that's it, and concealer under the eyes. I'm hoping what's in this box will be products that will complement this, and if not, then I won't post this video. Wish me luck. Okay. One thing I adore about the VIEVE packaging is fully recyclable, and the packaging inside is kept nice and safe just from a really strategically placed bit of paper. Branded and eco-friendly. Incredible. I really hope that this video is useful. I just love seeing video tutorials where I can see it on a mixture of different people. So I hope I can provide that with my videos. And I just love makeup, doing it on others and also myself. So this is the cream bronzer. So satisfying, the packaging. Okay. It's the Modern Radiance bronzer. It just smells like makeup, really. Probably my favorite brush that I'm using at the moment, which is a one from Beauty Secrets, and it's an F10. I've not tried any other branded brushes at the moment apart from Morphe and Real Techniques. So if you have one that you're loving at the moment, please do share down below. Not only I, but also other viewers will appreciate that. Welcome to my channel if you haven't visited before. There's a little bit of sheen to it. I would have liked if this was a little bit more matted, but let's see. So I want to be like this so it's really in the light. Oh, you know what? It is a lot more contoury than I thought. I'm going to insert a photo. Right now, front facing my camera, that's the side that's done. With contour, there's this big uprise, which I love, of blush and bronze products. Like, bronze products just means like adding, I'm not trying to patronize anybody with this. I did study makeup at college and I've always applied my makeup, even for live television like QVC. I started it during COVID, so I never actually got the chance to get my makeup done by anybody else. By that point, they only did makeup on the proper stars that were on it every day. So always had to rely on myself for any events and things like that. Along that way, I've learned a lot. I remember one of the biggest moments, which was a pinch me moment, was at the Victoria Beckham London Fashion Week. I forget what year it was, where Pat McGrath did the makeup and I was doing the facials and the women beforehand in probably the most stressful environment I've ever been in my life. That was the moment then where I was like, I couldn't work in fashion at all. But I love makeup and the skin prep beforehand even more. I like high quality makeup, which is worth the money. This is really subtle. If I was doing this for an evening makeup look, or I was away-ins on the summer holiday, or I was on a date night, or if you're watching this and it's like winter time, you're in my favorite season. I'm filming this in summer. I think this would really suit. Light is very forgiving in terms of the tone of it. Thankfully, there are deeper tones available, so you can really select the best one for you. It's versatile enough to use whether or not I've fake tanned or not. And that's something that things like my foundations can't say the same. I have to sometimes use different products if I've fake tanned or not. But this, I haven't used any fake tans. This is like my natural skin tone. Okay, the next is the palette, which contains a highlighter, a blush bold, blush, and then blush intense. Packaging is so ethereal. It's also an absolute fingerprint magnet. Oh, okay, that was just a bit of plastic. These tones are gorgeous. So this is the F6 in the same Beauty Secrets thing, worst kept secret. Let's apply the blush, just because I've got a cream blush on before. I just wanted to do a really quick. I'm more than happy to include the other shades or whatever in another video, or if you have any questions whatsoever. Oh wow, Jolly Roger. Really subtle. I'm gonna bring it up on the forehead because I feel like it is almost like a peachy terracotta color. If you've ever put too much blush on and you don't want it to look too much like the Jolly Roger, which is what I always say, it's kind of like pantomime. I actually really love bold blush, but if I'm looking for a much more natural look, I'll just take it up to the forehead and the temples. I haven't highlighted in so long, so let's see how this one will go. I haven't filmed with this camera in a while. If you just imagine a champagne, very delicate shimmer highlighter, what I would have loved is that this one would have been a bronzing palette and that it had no shimmer, so then it could overlap on the cream once I've powdered my face, which I've not done yet. I got this in Twilight. I'll show you the other shades that you can get right now on the screen because this is really interesting in terms of the mixture of tones that you get with it. I'm excited. If you want to see a makeup review where I include this one, leave a comment down below. I did want to keep this video really short though. I hope you enjoyed seeing it on someone else's skin. Let me know if I should try any other products from VIEVE that you would recommend. I've loved their makeup primer, and then these are the only other 2 products that I've tried from the range, so definitely open to trying more. I've also just filmed another makeup tutorial with loads of new makeup, so if you're interested in that, that will be up on the channel soon, so make sure to subscribe and turn your notifications on. If you want to take a look at some of these products, all of the info will be down below, and because these videos are not sponsored, I rely on sharing my affiliate links, which cost you nothing to click on, but supports my channel, so I really appreciate it. I will see you in the next video, and if you don't want to say goodbye just yet, some videos are showing up right now on the screen. Down in the corner are all my skincare, makeup, hair care, tanning, home, glasses, technology favorites, all in one really nice, neat website. So go take a look there if you want to, and if not, I will see you in the next video. Bye.